Hello viewers, I am Rakib. In this lesson, I will show you how to adjust the vibrance and saturation and will show you where to increase which one. So let's get started. We will come to this adjustments panel and click this triangle, which is the vibrance adjustment, and we will get this vibrance and saturation sliders. You can also get it from here, this vibrance. And if I increase this vibrance using this slider to positive 80, then you can see it's showing a nice result. It has enhanced this red colors and this eye colors. So that's what vibrance does. It increases the intensity or vividness of the more muted colors and avoids the well saturated colors. It also avoids the skin tones and colors like skin tones. But if I increase the saturation here, then you can see it's increasing the intensity or the vividness of the unnecessary colors like this and the skin tones, and it's doing it too much. So for this image, it has no use. We can only increase this very slightly so that it doesn't affect the skin tones too much, but the saturation has its own use, so we will see that in the next image. Now let's see the before and after. And in this image, if I again bring this adjustment layer and increase the vibrance, then you can see it's affecting this image very slightly. And let's reset this vibrance change, and if I increase the saturation here to 83 positive, then you can see how great the result is. So that's what saturation does. It regardless of color, it increases the vividness of all the colors, and it increases the vividness or the intensity of the colors much more than what vibrance does. We can also increase the vibrance here if needed. So that's the before and after. When there is a person in an image, then you have to use the vibrance to keep the skin tone natural, or if you have something in the image that is close to the skin color, then in that case you have to increase the vibrance. But if not, then in the most cases saturation will provide you a better result. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, then you can give a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to this channel if you have not done it yet. So thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.